Hi guys, this is Elena from Pink Monarch Prints, and today we are assembling the July kit. Super simple. So, I'm going to attach a little bit of a video here, but you can get this kit separate or you can get it into this big kit called Lilac Dreams. And this kit is wonderful. I'm really excited to use this kit because normally it's a little bit more grungy. This time we did a little bit less grungy, and I'm even going to be doing a lot of gold accents throughout the journal. So it's very whimsical, very cute. I will link the kit separate, and I will also link the subscription kit so you can get it either way during the month of July, and it's going to be a really fun kit. I'm really excited to get into this one. I've already gone to the liberty to add a couple of things. So I'm doing gold accents in this kit. So here is a file folder, and I added this little dangle on it. I did a little charm like girls' night with my friends, and this is some of the leftover supplies. And then I added 2 eyelets onto these tags. Everything is ink cut and ready to go. So I'm going to put these aside, and we're going to just start with our base folio, which is this piece right here. Basically, you're going to decide what order you want things in, how far down. You can totally switch it up however you like. And I'm just going to start with this pocket here. I'm going to put it about right there. For this, I'm using art glitter glue. And I'm just going to go all the way around the edges, leaving it open as a pocket. Alright, and then I'm going to repeat with these 2 pockets. I'm leaving this one up about 1 centimeter just to get the spacing that I want. And this is a pocket as well. Okay, there's our base. So you guys will be able to see here that this base will get glued down in a journal with these 3 sides will get glued down. This side will become a pocket like that. And this will go on the inside like that. So that's what we're going to work on next, is this piece. It comes like this. I've just gone ahead and folded it and inked it. Again, added this cute charm. And this side's pretty much done. We're going to add maybe a little number on there. And this side needs something. So that's where this comes into play. I'm just going to glue it down, but remember that you can leave this as a pocket if you want. Add a little bit more. I'm going to add this here, right there, and then this piece, a little numbered piece. There's a bunch of numbers in this kit. I'm going to add that one there. So there it is. You guys can glue this file folder as a pocket so it's just open right here, or just leave it so it opens up. For now, I'll just be leaving it so it opens up. So there, that will go right under that. Alright, here's my first piece. This is a tag, and it comes like this, so you just fold it and you can glue it together. I'm actually also going to be gluing this piece on here so it opens up and there's just a little something extra. That's what the piece looks like. Fold it, and so that's what we're going to do. So all I'm going to do is glue this so it is a pocket. And then glue this little tab into where you want it. Which that looks really good to me. Perfect. Then just to add something extra, I'm going to glue this on right there. And this piece will get inserted in there. That. And now I can glue this tag shut. There's one piece of ephemera all done. I'm going to re-ink this a bit, just because, so it's not showing that white. This tag, I'm just going to add a little bit of string in there, and that's it for now. Sometimes I change my mind later on, but I just want to get the base of all the ephemeras done. Set that one aside. Take a look at what we have left. There is a really small pocket in this kit, so I'm going to preserve these 3 pieces for that small pocket. And by small pocket, I mean this front piece. I'll put those aside. Well, actually, let's add a little rivet on this one and a little bit of string. I think that would be very cute. On this piece, I actually decided I'm just going to add a rusty paper clip, just for some extra details. And then here's our 3 last pieces. So this is one. You can get glued together. It's double-sided if you want, or you can leave it open like a card. There's this cute little bloom sign. I'm just going to add that on there. Little tidbit. I'm just going to put that at the top with a little bit of lace. There's this little piece in the kit, and I just folded it so I can kind of add it as like a little tab at the top here. And then I definitely have some more numbers I can use, so I'll just add them to spots I think need it, which I'll do one right there. And last minute, I'm going to add a rivet onto this. And finally, I'm going to do the piece that puts it all together, which is this really cute lilac floral fussy cut. And it's just going to go onto this first pocket. So I'm actually going to put glue onto the pocket instead of the fussy cut, so I don't accidentally glue anything shut. Line it up just like that. I'm going to have mine overhanging the edges just barely. I'm going to top it off with this number. And now comes the best part. We're going to stuff the pocket, decide where we want everything. We'll do kind of a walkthrough as we're doing that. So here's our main pocket. Here is what gets tucked behind the journal. You can glue this shut or leave it open. Has a front and a back. And if you do glue this into a journal, you'll glue those 3 sides and keep that as a pocket, like that. Then we have some larger ephemera, which I'm going to put, I don't know where I'm going to put it. We'll just have to see where it wants to be. We'll put that one there, and this one and the one behind it. And there it is. So it'll open up like that. Really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, linking this below. You can get it separate or you can get it in the monthly kit club during the month of July. So make sure to check it out. And we have a ton of other fun videos coming out throughout the next week or so and throughout the rest of the month. And I hope you guys watch them. There's some really fun ones. It's kind of a fun new type of journal we're trying. And we will see you next time. Bye.